Hey everyone, got another great video today. We're going to be doing another workout from the Jujimufu YouTube channel where he's with John Brookfield. I've made one of these videos where I did his towel ringing workout. You can watch that video, and that's a great video. I've been really enjoying that. I feel great. It's super easy to do. It's equipment anyone has. Watch that video if you haven't yet. And the original, I'll link to the original Jujimufu video here where John Brookfield showing a couple more grip exercises using towels. This time we're going to be using towels and a resistance band. In the original video, he's got a few different workouts. We're just going to be going over the first workout he shows. I'm going to show you how to do it, and in that video, John Brookfield recommends doing a full 10 minutes. I'm going to do that. We'll speed it up, and I'm going to talk about how I feel afterwards. So for this workout, I've got a resistance band. I've got some anchor points here. This is what I use in my house. You can anchor it to a ton of different stuff. You can anchor it to a post outside. You can anchor it to a squat rack. Whatever you got, as long as it's going to have enough weight as you pull on that. It's not going to be yanking it around. So this is really a workout just about anyone could do. You just need resistance bands. You need a towel. I'm going to be going off my lower anchor point. We go mid anchor point. You could go high. It really doesn't matter. Once you see the workout, you'll understand why. I'm going to be using a hand towel for this. I found that's a good size. You could definitely use a smaller towel, which is going to change things up. You could use a full towel, which is going to give you a really wide grip. But I like the hand towel for this. Love these workouts. I love the towel for grip strength. Got a ton of videos with different ways that you can incorporate towels into your grip training, alone or with different equipment. Best tool you can have. Everyone's got them lying around. So yeah, we can get right into it. So I've got my resistance band. I'm just going to loop the towel through here and pull back to, obviously you can adjust this. If you need more resistance, less. We're going to kind of pull that back, feel some tension, and we're just going to, whoop, already dropped it there. That might happen, so make sure nobody's behind you. And we're going to just pull, make sure my band's not all twisted. Just going to pull like that. So what I love about this workout is you got to be quick. You can see where you might have some practical applications in the real world in sports. So you need to grab really quick, football, jiu-jitsu, things like that. And it really gets the heart rate going. So like I said, in the original video, John recommends doing this for about 10 minutes. Get that heart rate up and really, really tax that grip. I'm going to go ahead and set my timer. And I'm going to do the full 10 minutes. We'll speed it up in the video. We'll talk about it after. Okay. Okay. Finish up that 10 minutes. That was fun. Definitely feeling a pump in the forearm. Feeling some tiredness in the hands, the grip, the fingers. Fun workout. John, he recommended doing 10 minutes of that, then go into that towel ringing workout, the other video. That would be an amazing workout. Super fun. You would work a lot of different aspects of your grip, your finger dexterity, your rotational strength, things like that. Look for some more videos. I'm going to show some of the more static holds, some of the more arm wrestling moves that they talk about in the original video. Check out some of John's books. I linked to the Grip Master's Manual and Master of Hand Strength below. Awesome books. Tons of great workouts. Check out my other videos, some of his workouts, some other different workouts you can do. Let me know how you like this, how it goes for you. Great little workout, like I said. Got my heart rate up a little bit. Got a nice pump. Train some of those different movements, that more explosive crushing grip than you might train in other ways with the heavy duty grippers, things like that. And like I said, favorite grip tool, becoming the hand towel. You can use it for all sorts of different things. Thanks for watching. Let me know how this goes for you. Let me know how you like it. Let me know what else you'd like to see.